This is the Acer Aspire 1, and it is a laptop I got from Walmart. Now it's what you would consider a smaller size laptop, but to be honest with you, the smaller the laptop the better, because the better your battery life and the less chance of getting dead pixels on the screen, because a lot less, less work on your video card. Now, even though that this is pretty much a basic computer, it has though it only has a single core, but it does, however, have the i6 architecture, the same architecture as the i-cores. So what you're looking at is a 2 gigahertz Core Solo i-core processor. It only says Intel on the sticker, which I'll show you here. See? It only says Intel, and that's all it says, but in the system information it says Intel I something. So let's get to turning it on. This is a Windows 8 computer. Now, Windows 8 is by far not a great operating system, but there are a lot of reasons that you should use it, and just learn to deal with it, because it is superior to Windows 7 in many ways, and certainly superior to Windows XP, which most people think is great, but it's not. Now let's turn it on. Now, you will see how quickly this boots up. If you're not going to buy Windows 8 for any other reason, buy it because it boots up so quickly. See, that was amazing. See how fast that booted up? Amazing. Now, this operating system has the same security and density as Windows 7 or Windows Vista, but it boots up like it's Windows 95 running on a quad-core processor. I mean, or better yet, it boots up faster than Puppy Linux. Now, let's see. Now, you have all this shit on your freaking, screen that's pretty much useless, except for this one thing. Yeah, this computer actually has a webcam. I'll show you right now. No. See? Very good camera. It's actually, the picture on the computer is better than the record quality of the phone, even though the phone has a 3.2 megapixel camera and this is only a 0.3 megapixel. But the quality is really, really good for the type of camera. Now, it's really hard to find a camera of such a low resolution, or a webcam of. It's hard to find a webcam that's only 0.3 megapixels that has a good resolution, but this is one exception, and so this is a good reason to buy this computer, and it does not have a disk drive, but you do not need a disk drive unless you're running, a lesser operating system, because anything that you could get on a disk, any program that you would buy from the store, you can buy off the Microsoft store cheaper. So I would recommend, if you're someone who likes to install programs, Windows 8 is not going to support your program, so why not just buy new ones? Because it's worth doing that, because there are a lot of superior things about Windows 8.